Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. As a natural, environmentally friendly disinfectant, ozone just can't be beat. Ozone Solutions knows this. That's why they've been cleaning the world with ozone technology since 1997. Headquartered in Hull, Iowa, Ozone Solutions operates a worldwide network of distributors. They offer industrial, commercial, and residential ozone generators, along with their featured ozone injection and remediation systems. They also provide a full line of ozone-compatible equipment, including ozone destruct units and oxygen concentrators. Already have an ozone generator? Ozone Solutions has monitoring equipment, accessories, and replacement parts. Hess Machine International, a division of Ozone Solutions, puts purity in a bottle. For 50 years, their high-quality ozone generators have injected ozone into bottled water in a way that's easy to install and easy on the budget. Ozone Solutions does more than sell ozone equipment. Their team of consultants will custom design or upgrade an ozone system to optimize a client's investment. They put issues to the test in their advanced testing labs. They perform ozone exposure testing and water quality analysis to determine the right amount of ozone needed for any application. Ozone Solutions will also calibrate, service, and repair equipment to keep it running at optimum capacity. Ozone Solutions gives customers the added advantage of renting equipment to try before you buy. From wastewater treatment and wineries to food processing and fracking, a solution from Ozone Solutions adds the element of success. To view their full line of products and services, visit their website at ozonesolutions.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.